I'm Jen and welcome to my studio, and today we're going to be doing a technique exercise that is perfect for across the floor. That's what I'm working on right now a lot of, because dance starts tomorrow, or depending on when I release this, it might have started last week, I don't know. But the dance year starts so soon, the day that I'm filming this, that all I'm doing is working on a whole book full of across the floor combinations, and I wanted to share a couple of them with y'all. So this one is a drawback combination that takes you across the floor and switches sides in the middle of the combination. So it does both sides going this way and then both sides going that way, which is great because that means that you can't accidentally fake only doing pullbacks on the right. Because if your students are anything like mine, they try that. And I'm like, nope, do it again, left side. And they're like, aw. We like to stick with what we're comfortable with, but sometimes you gotta do the awkward side. I don't believe in a good side or a bad side. I believe in a comfortable side and an awkward side. The left side is still awkward for me, but it doesn't make it any less important that I know it. And if I just say, oh, well, right's my good side and left's my bad side, it lets me kind of just sit on that rather than say, right's my comfy side and left is my awkward side. That doesn't give me an excuse not to do it. It just admits that it's a little more awkward feeling for me to do that side, So I encourage you to have your students use that terminology. A comfy side and an awkward side. Much better than a good side and a bad side. Because that good side and bad side just kind of makes me feel like I can't do the bad side. Oh, that's my bad side, I just can't do it. Rather than, that's my awkward side, it just feels really weird. But it doesn't mean you can't, Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So we start with 2 drawbacks. They start with a spank this time. I know, weird for me, right? So, and a 1 and a 2. Nice set of 2 drawbacks. So you go 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1 and a 2. So we're working in triplets, and a 1 and a 2. Then you have 3 Cincinnatis. Okay? So 2 drawbacks, 3 Cincinnatis. If you've never done a Cincinnati before, I have a step tutorial on those right down below in the description, so make sure you check that out if you've never done one before. If you have, cool. If you need a refresher, it's just spank, heel, shuffle, heel, step, rather than spank, heel, step. So you're just adding a shuffle heel to the drawback. But again, if you need a more extensive explanation, it's right down there in the description. Okay, so you have and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. So let's try that together. 5, 6, 7, 8. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. Good. One more time, and then we'll go on to the other half of the phrase. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. Awesome. From there, you have 2 drawbacks starting with your left foot. And a 1 and a 2. 2 Cincinnatis, not 3 this time. And a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6. That's your prep for either ball change pullback or 2 pullbacks. Or pullback. So it's completely up to you and your level or the level of your students, depending on which one you want to do. For the purposes of this video, I will do both. The first time we do it right and left, I'll do ball change pullback. The second time we do it, I will do pullback when we do it with music. Okay? So, the second half, your left foot was free. It goes and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8. Then your left foot is free to start the whole thing on the left. But let's put it all together on the right first. So, from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. And a 1 and a 2 and a shuffle and 7 and a shuffle and 7 and a shuffle and 7 and a 1 and a 2 and a shuffle and 7 and a shuffle and 7. Not bad. Cool. Let's do it one more time, and then we'll try it on the other side. Ready? Right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6 and a on the left side, which means we get to do the pullbacks on the right, which for most of us is our comfy side. All right, left foot. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. One more time. This time I'm going to do the 2 pullbacks. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. Now it goes one to the other. Can we try right to left? Then we'll do it with music. All right, so for right to left, I'm going to do ball change pullback. Okay? Whew, this one's a tough one, like cardiovascularly. All right, ready? From drawbacks. Right side, and then immediately go into left when you're done. 5, 6, 7, 8. Not bad, right? All right, let's try it with music. Right to left. First time, I'm going to do ball change pullback. Second time, I'm going to challenge myself, and you can challenge yourself to try the 2 pullbacks in a row. It's that left side, right? Oh. Okay, let's try it again. This time, let's challenge ourselves to try the 2 pullbacks in a row. Okay? Cool. We definitely got this. It's just 2 pullbacks in a row. Just make sure on that last, step with the Cincinnati, you really plie so that you can get into that pullback. Okay? That last step of the Cincinnati is your prep, so give it a good plie. Okay? Beginning sounds like a Black Eyed Peas song, doesn't it? Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. That one to my classes next week. I cannot wait. I think that some of my classes are going to love that. All right, well, I hope you've had such a fun time with this technique exercise. I hope you learned something that either you can improve your own skills with, or you can help your students improve their skills. It just, sparked an idea for your own classes, because it is that time of year that we are just kind of I need ideas. So I feel you, dance teachers. It's a very stressful time of year, but a very exciting one. So I hope that this helps. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We've got technique exercises like this, step tutorials like I mentioned, and then choreography tutorials where you can learn a fun combination to a popular song or a nostalgic song or a timeless song or a song you've never heard of before. You know how this goes. And we also have vlogs and challenges and all kinds of resources for you. It's all free, and it's all on this YouTube channel, so make sure that you subscribe and become a part of this fam, because I absolutely love being your TAP teacher here on YouTube. It brings me a lot of joy. Also, while you're at that subscribe button, don't forget to hit the thumbs up because the algorithm likes that. The algorithm really likes to see what people like so that it pushes that kind of content out more. So hitting the thumbs up on my video does help me, but it also helps all tap dancers because YouTube goes, people like tap dance. We should push that out more. And you're like, yes, give me all the tap dance, please. So definitely hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for dancing with me.